Hi everyone, very good morning. Today is day 10 of our Pranayama and meditation series. If you have been practicing so far and if you have come till today, congratulations. It is not easy to stick to a routine, and if you have already done that, you have done a really great job. All the very best, and along with that, we'll start our series now. Sit comfortably, back straight, shoulders straight. Keep your both the hand turned up and try to keep your both the hands into Chin Mudra. Today, basically, we'll try to keep very simple pranayama and focus more on the meditation part, which actually brings you a lot of peace and relaxation, especially when you have a lot of stressful days. All you have to do is do what we are going to do today. Okay? All right. Back straight, eyes closed. Now, before we start anything, just pay attention to the whole body. From the neck, shoulder, spine, hip joint, thighs, knee, ankle, fingers of your both the legs. Now slowly bring your attention to the nostril. Now for next few seconds, just observe how are you breathing in and how are you breathing out. When you start focusing on your breathing, by default it will start becoming slightly longer, long inhale and long exhalation. Now slowly start adding Ujjayi breathing. Slowly start pushing the air through the throat with the sound of an ocean. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. One more time. Exhale. Get back to the normal breath. Let's practice Anulom vilom without retention of your breath. You just inhale from one nostril, exhale from the other. Take a deep breath in from both the nostrils and breathe out completely. Close your right nostril, inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Do this few times on your own. Inhale from the left and exhale from the right. Now it's important that you start focusing on longer breathe in, longer breathe out. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Slowly drop your hand down and just observe your breathing. Expand your lungs, expand your chest and stomach when you breathe on, breathe out. Open up yourself as much as you can comfortably without forcing yourself. Now Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, where you hold your breath for a few counts. Exhale completely from your both the nostril. Close your right side, inhale from the left. Hold your breath. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Hold your breath. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Hold your breath. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Hold your breath. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Hold your breath. Exhale from the right. Slowly drop your hands down. Now observe your both the nostril, how they are inhaling and exhaling. Slowly continue to expand your chest and stomach every time you inhale and exhale. Let your mind be focused only on one thing at this moment, that's your breathing. Now start counting 50 to 1 in reverse in your mind, like 50, 49, 48, 47 till 0. Please start. Focus only on your counts. I have completed my counts. You have completed your counts too, I believe. If not, continue till you reach 0. Once you reach 0, just focus on your breathe in, breathe out. Take a long breathe in, long breathe out. Slowly be aware of your lower back, spine, shoulder, both the palm. Slowly release. Bring your both the palm together into Namaskara Mudra. Gently start rubbing your both the palm, make it warm. Drop it on your eyes and face. Bring it to the shoulder, back, thighs, knee. Feel the warmness of your both the palm on the knee. Slowly open your eyes, look into your palm. Thank you. Just like the way we did 50 counts to 0, you can always do 100 to 0 too. I'm very happy that you have reached till here, completed all the series. The journey doesn't end here. You have to continue same thing. If you want, you can repeat as well. And for those who want to practice live online classes with me, you can drop me a message of inquiry on the number which you can see above. And if you like practicing with me, don't forget to like the video. I'll see you very soon with my next series. Thank you so much.